Good afternoon children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are feeling safe at your home and you are learning a lot of things. So, in the class 5 children, English subject, this is page number 46. Okay, discuss in class. Read the story again. What do you think? This is the main difference between people and robots. So, as I have gone through the story and in my opinion, like people can think, the humans can think, and it's not like that. If they are irritating also, they will stop, okay, but the robots, we have to give the clear instructions, okay. So even robots can't lie also, and robots don't lie also, but humans, they can lie. And moreover, I have seen this they can understand only few things, the robots, how we are giving the instructions only they can, but not the people. They have their own misunderstandings. This I have learnt, okay. So you can say children, what you what are the things what you have understand, what is the main difference between the people and the robots. What do you think happened next? Did Ajay's father get angry with him? Could he persuade Robotics International to let them keep Manku? According to me, yes, he because he felt sorry, Ajay felt sorry, and because as a father, in my opinion, as a father, he has forgive him, and in my opinion, yes. After giving one warning, yes, he had persuaded Robotic International to let them keep Manku, okay. So in my opinion, this has been done. So children, I want your views also. Please, whenever I will conduct the Zoom class, please you say that, okay. Word wise, complete this word puzzle with the help of clues. Across, a gadget used to turn the television on and off from a distance. So what are the things that you use for operating the television? That is remote, okay. So this one's remote, children, R-E-M-O-T-E, remote. Please write this, children. Yeah, next one. Computers are dashed to respond to instructions. They are programmed to listen the instructions, okay. Please write, children, programmed. What is the spelling? P-R-O-G-R-A-M-M-E-D, programmed. Computers are dashed to, yes, this one is completed. Well developed. What is the synonym of well developed? That is advanced, okay, advanced. So see children, this one, advanced. A-D-V-A-N-C-E-D, advanced. Please write here C and write, children. Next one, unusual, means it is not happening rarely, okay, it is happening not commonly, okay, it is uncommon to that, and that is very rare. So what is this, children? R-A-R-E, rare. Please write down, children. Past tense of control. What is the past tense of control, children? Obviously that is controlled. Controlled. Please write this, children. C-O-N-T-R-O-L-L-E-D, controlled. You can pause the video and you can write, children, no problem in that. C-O-N-T-R-O-L-L-E-D, controlled. Down one, and dash person keeps things in order. What is that which keeps in order? Yeah, that a dash that keeps in order, that is organized. That is organized, okay, that is organized. First one, see children, down one, and dash person keeps in order. What is that? Organized. O-R-G-A-N-I-Z-E-D, organized. Organized. Here you can use S also, no problem in that, okay. A person who operates a machine, that is operator. O-P-E-R-A-T-O-R, operator. Next one, children, an electronic device that can store and process information. What is that? Obviously, computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Write down children all the words please. Next one. A sewing machine. Spelling of machine. Let us see first here. In the sixth one, M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Okay. Here they have shown the remote and here they have shown the computer which has mouse. Okay. Okay. Let us see in the next one. Spell right. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. It took 2 weeks my foot to heal properly. Please write down children, heal, and what is the difference between heal and heal? One heel is for wound, okay, and one heel is for the foot, okay. The heel of my sandal has come off, that is heel, okay. The sandals has heels. Be careful, the glass might break, B-R-E-A-K, break. Next one children, please ask the mechanic to change the brake oil in my car. So, there is a little difference between both the brake, but when we are saying the same pronunciation. Steffi Graf was at the peak of her career when she retired. Okay, when she retired, she was the peak in the career, and Paul took a quick peek at himself in the mirror. One peak is what you call as in the high one, this one, and one peak is Paul took a quick peek at himself in the mirror at a glance, that is called as glance. Okay. The pilot guided the aeroplane into the hangar, H-A-N-G-A-R, which you can see in the aeroplane. Okay. Asif couldn't find a hanger, H-A-N-G-E-R, to hang his shirt on. Okay, where you are hang your clothes, that is called as hanger. It took a full week for Akash to complete his Pindari glacier trek. So, that is he went for trekking and it completed a week, that is first week, second week, that one. Okay. The illness has made him very weak, W-E-A-K, W-E-A-K. Could you please write your name and address here? That is W-R-I-T-E, that is write, okay, with a pen or pencil that we are writing with our hands, that one. Romy was right about the price of the shoes, that is right, R-I-G-H-T. This is not right which is direction, this is only the right in which you are saying the he is correct or she is correct. Okay. Okay children, please take a look and just write this all. Pause the video and you can write all this. I hope you have learned today, and tomorrow we will do this dictionary and everything, this we will do. Okay children, take care children. Bye.